and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to present to you an updated version of a face mask that I have here on my YouTube channel for 4 years, I think. I have, let me check, yes, since 22nd of May 2014. This is a mask that helps with acne. So the mask is called How to Make a Homemade Oatmeal Face Mask for Acne. So here is my updated version of this face mask. I hope you enjoy it. I used 2 tablespoons of oats and put them in a grinder, and it looked like this, like a flour, and I was really happy with this because I thought it will be so easy to just stay on my face, unlike ungrind oats. Just add hot boiled water as much as you think you'll need to create that thick texture that you can work with when applying it on your face. This is how it looked like, and then add 1 tablespoon of honey. This is organic honey I'm using here. And just mix that in, and then the mask will be ready to be applied on your face. And for those that don't want to use honey, I have an alternative to honey, and I'm going to show you that in a second. This is ready to be applied on your face. Ta-da! This is the alternative to honey. It's hemp oil. Hemp oil is amazing for acne, and it will hydrate your skin. It's great for dry skin as well. So yeah, it's really, really good. 1 tablespoon of that into the mask, which is just the same as previous. Just oats, hot water, and then either honey or hemp oil. Or you can just add them both if you want to use honey and hemp oil and you're fine with using honey, then you can just get the benefits of both ingredients in your mask. Here I'm applying the honey one on one side of my face, as whilst I was doing this I decided to apply the honey on one side and the hemp oil one on the other side. This is the hemp oil one that I decided to apply on the other side of my face, because like that I would present to you both textures, how they looked, and maybe I thought I would see which one works better. So which one leaves me with better results and my skin feeling smoother, and it will work for acne as well. Hemp oil is amazing for acne, trust me. This is the honey side, the translucent one, and the other side of my face, the more opaque one, is the hemp oil mask. After about 20 minutes, you'll see that the mask is dry. Just it's time to wash it off with lukewarm water when it becomes like that. And this is how my skin looked like. I actually prefer the hemp oil one. It just left my skin softer. I hope you enjoyed this mask. If you did, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I post something that might be of help to you. Until next video, bye!